iTunes replaces your music during sync, making it limiting. Here are the best free music manager apps to manage your iPhone library without losing songs. 1. MobiKin Assistant for iOS. Best iPhone music manager. MobiKin Assistant for iOS is the best music manager for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. This all-in-one program gives you access to a range of features to help you manage your iPhone music without relying on iTunes. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB and open the software. Follow on-screen instructions to recognize your device. Step 2. Go to the Music section in the left menu. Your iPhone's music library will be displayed with details like name, artist, and album. Step 3. Select the songs you want to transfer, then click Export to move music from your iPhone to the computer. 2. iTools. iTools, a music manager for iPhone similar to iTunes, is an outstanding iOS manager for iOS devices. It is fairly simple to manage media files by drag and drop. 3. ApowerManager. Offering easy access to iOS files, ApowerManager can be used to import and manage music and other files. You can view files from its large desktop screen with sections like My Device, Manage, and Tools. 4. SynciOS. To take control of your device, you can avail of SynciOS to move songs, photos, videos, contacts, and more to or from your computer on its simple interface. It's able to convert files into the proper format automatically during tasks. 5. AnyTrans. The next iPhone music manager is AnyTrans. It lets you transfer music between iPhone and computer or other iDevices. You can choose to transfer your songs all at once or selectively. 6. CopyTrans. CopyTrans is more flexible to manage your iOS music, though it doesn't offer as many features as iTunes. With it, you can view the content on your iOS devices, create playlists, add music and videos, edit the files tags, play music and video files, etc. 7. iExplore. iExplore, as its name indicates, gives you the ability to access and view content on your iOS devices. You can create playlists and copy your songs with the app's auto-transfer feature. 8. DearMob iPhone Manager. The last iPhone music manager for Windows and Mac is DearMob iPhone Manager. It is a great tool to manage iPhone music easily.